Good day, folks. Alright, so I got the DCC installed, digital command control by Digitrax. This is what's used to control the trains, also lights and sound and all kinds of other stuff. This is a new high-tech and model railroading, if you will. Basically, it works kind of, if you know things about routers and computers, basically what this does is kind of uses an IP-based type system in where each locomotive is controlled by an address, and not just locomotives but also like turnouts, which I don't have connected yet, but it can be used for that, signaling, turning the lights on and off of the locomotive, the sounds. There's also a thing there so you can blow the horn at the crossings. But yeah, this is it's by Digitrax. It's called DCC. The traditional way of using what model railroad is called DC, you know, direct current, obviously, where you put power to the tracks and all the trains run at the same, you know, the same pace. With this one, you can control multiple trains. Now, on a smaller layout like this, it's, you know, may not really be necessary per se, but you can run two different trains, you know, simultaneously at different speeds and different controls. Now, also got the mock-up of the city. Of course, everything still has to be painted, but got the mock-up of our town square, if you will. We got there. We also got the tunnel portals installed. Of course, still need to be painted and weathered. So there's two. Got the other one there. And then, of course, the other one over there. We got the train rolling down the track there. And also did a little testing here for did a test patch of the grass, just to make sure my mixture is good. I think it looks pretty good. Now that's just the base there. And also, if you notice, we got the entire layout in the earth undercoat. Now we still have to do the rock placements. Like I said, my lady is going to help me with that. And also did some experimenting with some talus, or, you know, outcropping rocks. Now that's just temporary. That'll change. I was just, again, there's some bushes, making sure my glue is a good consistency, and that's where that comes into. Make sure I got the right tones. But yeah, it's you know, that was the next step. The next project is why I did the mock-up of the city, is we need to make the roads for the city, you know, and make the sidewalks for the stores. And then we got the road that comes down through here, and then, you know, the road up to where my workshop will be in my house. But more importantly, through here, you know, the road that goes out of town, and also the road to the industrial areas, loading docks. Haven't really quite decided what I'm going to put there. We do know that this area here will be the depot. Either notice is not a passenger car service. I'm still going between making this the depot or making it a park type area to play in. I'm still leaning more towards making this a park with, you know, a swing set and barbecue grills and stuff. Like I said, this is not a passenger train service, so there's really no reason for a depot. So I think I will go with that idea of making this area here extend into there a little bit, of a park area, a rest area. But that's where the road's got to come in, the road across there, and then leaving out of town. And then when we expand the railroad, with the next module, it'll be out in that area. But yeah, it's she's coming along. Like I said, these are just mock-up of the buildings. I mean, these are the actual buildings, but I still have to do the roofs and painting and all that stuff. And you know, same with the portals, need painting, but need to install rocks and outcroppings, which I have a pretty good selection here. And we need to place the rocks and outcroppings. And there's just some general rubble and mixture of the talus and stuff that will go in various places. So yeah, she's coming along. Just want to give a quick update, and hope everyone's doing well out there. So until next time, folks, remember, be kind to one another and keep the glue on the styrene.